Hello, and welcome back to another installment of the CNET experience. Today, we are looking at another hike in Hong Kong, Sunset Peak. Sunset Peak is definitely one of the more challenging hikes to do in Hong Kong, but it's also one of the most rewarding. So if you're up for the challenge, this is what you need to do. Head to Lantau Island either by MTR or ferry. We took the MTR because it's quicker and a lot closer to where we wanted to start. There are two main start points to the trail, here and here. We wanted to start at this end as it means we finish a lot closer to Mui Wo. To get to the start point from the MTR, we got a short taxi ride to Wong Lung Hang picnic site, which cost around $100. From there, follow the signs for Sunset Peak Trail, which should lead you to this mammoth stairway in the mountains. This is definitely the worst part of the hike. The steps are so steep and seem to go on forever, and proves to be too much for some.
I will.
It'll all start to feel a bit more worth it when you see some clearings in the trees, allowing you to look back on your accomplishments so far. Ha! This is me, completely unfazed by the hike because I'm so naturally fit and very handsome.
Will Edwards hiking committee captain here. Sunset Peak at the moment. Been going about 3 hours, lost 4,000 calories. Been sick once and half an hour to go, so we'll see you at the top then, guys.
Once you get past the stairway, it gets a lot easier, and there are plenty of pit stops where you can get some great pictures. It wouldn't be the CNET experience without the Chatteris model busting a move. About 3 hours in and you'll be arriving at the peak, and all your hard work will be worth it when you see these views.
That's a really good hike.
Leader of the hiking committee, how do you feel? We've reached the top.
We're at the summit now. We've been climbing for 2 days. A couple of camp outs.
And the great views aren't finished there. On your scenic descent back down, follow the trail and you'll come to a main road where you can hop on a bus back to Mui Wo, a great little town to grab some food and a well-deserved drink. You can also get a ferry from Mui Wo back to Central. Happy days!
Sean, watch out! Pull yourself up, son.
I'm trying! Thanks for watching the CNET experience. We'll see you next time.